Well, government putting stricter measures in place in hopes of cutting down on the number of illegal nationals in the country. Today, the immigration minister laid out plans in Parliament to do just that. Well, our Jared Higgs has more on the immigration crackdown.
You can't just jump off a boat with your wet feet and come into the immigration department and apply for a work permit.
Minister Mitchell not mincing his words as he announced a major shift in immigration policy, a shift that involves changes to work permit procedures.
With immediate effect, we will not be accepting in the Department of Immigration applications for people who do not have legal status in the Bahamas to work, and anyone who comes to do so, the application will be refused and the applicant will be arrested and charged and deported.
The minister responsible for immigration also said that Cabinet is also considering a ban on persons who have come here illegally and been deported.
So we are considering a permanent prospective ban on all people who have come here illegally and have been deported, so that prospectively they will not be able to qualify for permanent status in the Bahamas.
Starting in November, new procedures will be put in place for first-time work permit holders from Haiti, including the applicant having to go to the Bahamian Embassy in Port-au-Prince. Following a period of comment, new policies will be established for implementation in January of 2015. Changes in work permit policy, however, will start as early as November 1st.
And it is envisaged that the regulations will be amended and the policies accordingly.
The minister added other protocols will be put in place for non-nationals who live and go to school here in the Bahamas.
As of November the 1st, require all persons who live in the Bahamas to have a passport of the country of their nationality. Those people who have been born here will get a particular residence permit, which will allow them to work and live here until such time as their status pursuant to any application under the terms of the Constitution is decided. This will allow access of children to the schools. This will not apply to the children of people who are here illegally.
Also come November 1st, certificates of identity or travel documents will no longer be issued except in rare cases.
These will only be for Bahamians who have a need for an emergency travel document or where, in accordance with our international obligations, we are to issue them to non-nationals.
Mr. Mitchell also noted that talks were held with the Haitian ambassador and leaders within the Haitian community at large. The November 1st date will also see a requirement for all persons who live in the Bahamas to have a passport of their nationality. Jared Higgs, ZNS Network News.